Understanding holiday blessings. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meanings and usages of common phrases and expressions. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, holiday blessings. This phrase is packed with warmth and good wishes, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into its two key components, holiday and blessings. Holiday refers to a day or period of celebration, typically when no work is done. This can be a religious festival, a national day, or any special occasion. Blessings are well wishes or expressions of hope that good things will happen to someone. When combined, holiday blessings is a warm greeting or farewell that expresses a wish for happiness and good fortune during a holiday period. Holiday blessings can be used in various contexts. During holiday seasons, it's particularly popular during major holiday seasons like Christmas, Hanukkah, Eid, etc., when people are inclined to wish each other well. In greetings and farewells, you can use it at the beginning or end of a conversation, email, card, or social media post related to the holiday. As a standalone wish, it can be a complete message in itself, especially when you want to express your good wishes but prefer not to use more common phrases like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. This phrase is more than just a casual greeting. It carries deep emotional and cultural significance. It reflects a universal hope for peace, joy, and prosperity. By using holiday blessings, you're participating in a long-standing tradition of spreading joy and goodwill. Inclusive. It's a wonderfully inclusive way to convey warm wishes, suitable for people of all religious and cultural backgrounds. Personal touch. Adding holiday blessings to your holiday messages can give them a personal touch, showing that you care about the recipient's happiness and well-being. We hope this video helps you understand the beautiful phrase, holiday blessings, and encourages you to use it in spreading joy and goodwill during the holiday seasons. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying emotions and connections. So, next time you're reaching out to someone during the holidays, consider adding a little extra warmth with holiday blessings. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all holiday blessings. Stay tuned for more insights into the English language. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Goodbye, and take care.